हेलो
Yes,
मैम, भूल क्यों नहीं रहे आप?
बेटा
हेलो।
I am muting you all. So when I required intense focus, जब focus हट गया था इधर उधर देखने लगे. That is one thing. And the second time was when I spoke about my own belief. मैंने जब right बोला आपको left देखना पड़ा तो आपके subconscious mind में क्या था? Right is right, correct? And left is left. तो आप थोड़ा उधर इधर हो गए थे. You were not able to focus on the instruction given to you. Do you agree with me on that? You all agree with me on that? First time was focus, second time was your belief. So that is why we started getting haywire with the instructions. We were not able to follow it properly. Now, when I talk about beliefs, let us come free of our belief, try for our goals. And when Vaishnavi wrote to me, like we are scared of the future results, we will talk about that when we talk about our confidence building session. Now, how to break open that and how to actually do it. Now, there are few more people joining here. Does anybody, Shabnam, batao beta, you want to share something? Unmute yourself and talk. आपको कुछ शेयर करना है? Okay, I will go on. If you don't have anything to share, I will go on with my session. Why should I set a goal? Gives you a focus, as I told you. My goal was to turn right when I was told to turn right, and to turn left when I was told to turn left. Now, goals will allow me to see how much of progress that I have made. मैं कितना आगे बढ़ी हूँ, right? When I said final outcome, performance, or I gave you the example of weight loss. I wanted to lose 15 kilos in 5 years. तो मैं हर दिन मेरा weight note करती हूँ. And I'm also performing towards it. मैं क्या कर रही हूँ? रोज jogging जा रही हूँ, diet keep up कर रही हूँ, I'm maintaining my meditation sessions. I'm doing a little bit of yoga, exercise, or whatever is required. And then every day I keep journalizing my progress. Can I do that? I'm sorry, the screen keeps changing. Yeah. Are you able to follow? Are you with me? Are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now we are going to see goals also keep me locked, right? Locked in. मुझे जो achieve करना है उसी में मैं अटकी हूँ. I am not distracted anywhere. मुझे कोई और distraction नहीं हो रहा है. So that is one thing about goals. If I've set a goal, I will definitely be focused on that. I am going to be focusing on what I actually want to do, right? Then goals help me overcome procrastination. What is procrastination? What actually is procrastination? Very good, Halima. Delaying. putting off, आज नहीं कल से चालू करूंगी, right? That tomorrow never comes. So I need to be focused. I have to start it right away. Yesterday when I gave you, let us be very honest. Chat box में मुझे बोलो कितने लोगों ने goals लिखा, कितने लोगों ने लिखा? Will be honest. मैंने ये CAD क्या आपके नाम के साथ बोलो ना. आदिरा, वेरी गुड. आदिरा yesterday spoke about it also. क्लासिफाई भी किया, एक्सेलेंट. वैशाली से क्लासिफाई भी किया, मैंने भी किया, गुड. जैसे जैसे आपने किया लिखते जाओ इधर चैट बॉक्स में, ठीक है? और यू पुट योर हैंड्स अप, दैट विल हेल्प मी काउंट द नंबर. And then, see, there's one more thing I want to tell you. Goals will give you a motivation. देखो आपको कोई और बाहर से आके मोटिवेट नहीं कर सकता है. लेट मी टेल यू दैट. मोटिवेशनल टॉक जो भी है, आपके अंदर के जो भी है, स्पिरिट हैज टू बी वोकन अप. दैट कैन बी डन ओनली बाय यू. अगर मैं आपको बोलूँ ऐसे करो वैसे करो, आपके अंदर कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. These were all what you wanted, correct? So what you wanted, you have achieved, will come only when you are self-motivated is the best motivated. Correct, Rani Gupta, you were right. आपको खुद को मोटिवेट होना है. कोई और बाहर से आके आपको नहीं बोल सकता है मोटिवेट करता हूँ, मोटिवेट करता हूँ. It will be the same thing that I am speaking. So we can only help you. All the activities will have to be from your side. Do you get me? Are you with me there? आपको एक focus मिला when you wrote the goal. Now you are going to write, when you write your outcome, you are going to also write your progress. कितना progress किए हो, right? You are going to write that. And then goals are going to be making you focus. मुझे ये करना है तो ये करना है. Now for example, let me give you the example of our current third years. Current third years को, when they all see, many of them had wanted, just as Adira said, she wanted to be employed with a reputed corporate and be a, wanted to make her career there, earning lot of money. Adira, I will unmute you. Give me a minute. I didn't see you here. Yeah, Adira. Yes.
Ma'am, sorry, by mistake it happened.
Adira, see, you wanted to be working for a corporate, you wanted to be earning a lot of money, you wanted to make your career there, progress there with a very nice designation, right?
Yes, ma'am.
In the same session. But then, did it give you a focus? Yes, it did. And then you started gathering resources. Resources, not just monetary resources. It was also resources in terms of knowledge. They enrolled for a lot of classes. कोई भी session हम, they used to come forward and then they used to enroll for those courses. So they were gathering resources. So that was one more angle of it, because they were all focused with their goals. And now they made it measurable also. I want to make it even more measurable, Adira. कितने सालों में कितना progress चाहिए, so that it makes you work in a, you agree with me? It will
Yes,
be
ma'am.
effectively only when you're going to write down the measurement of both your performance and outcome based goal. Okay? Now,
Yes, ma'am.
you never waited for a tomorrow. It's a classic example. Adira was one of those students who enrolled for all the courses that was offered to them. Right? So they started gathering resources. And then they avoided next batch में enroll करूँगी, वो नहीं था उनमें. They will be enrolled because, and they, it also gave them a motivation. Motivation किससे आया? कोई बाहर से मोटिवेट किया नहीं, क्योंकि मोटिवेशन तभी होता है when you start learning things. जब आपको नॉलेज मिलता है, रिसोर्सेज गैदर होता है, you feel completely motivated. Do you agree with me based on your personal experience?
Yes, ma'am.
somebody called Jaypuria who's raised her hand. Yes, Jay, go on. I've unmuted you. Jay? Jay, unmute yourself and speak out. Unmute yourself and speak up. Someone's message me. Okay. Now, what are the 5 golden rules to set and achieve an effective goal? See, the goals will have to be motivating you. मतलब कुछ आगे करने के लिए आपको goals चाहिए. जो goal आप set करते हो, आपको कुछ आगे करना है, right? As you said, many of you wanted to be employed in a bank as whatever, manager, CEO, CMD, जो भी है, you all wanted to be employed with a bank, right? Or a corporate with a very nice designation. I wouldn't say decent, very nice designation. And these goals that you set are going to be very smart. Smart का हमने already meaning देखा. Smart का, can somebody tell me what we saw in the earlier slide?
Ma'am,
Yes.
can I say?
Yeah.
Ma'am, it's specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time bound.
Okay. Richa, unmute yourself and talk, please. Richa, I have unmuted you. Unmute yourself and talk. Okay. So it has to be specific, measurable. कितना चाहिए? I have to measure. I can't set goals in the air. Attainable. Attainable होना चाहिए. Just as I gave you the example of reaching the moon, touching the sun. दोनों में से जो attainable है, that you are going to be setting as a goal, right? And then relevant. It has to be relevant to what you are doing, and it has to be time bound, time specified होना चाहिए. For this, I also told you yesterday, write down your goals. Goals लिखते जाओ. जैसे जैसे आपको आते हैं goals, आप लिखते जाओगे. Did I say that? Did I say that? Yes, no? Very good. And then we also said you are going to stick with it. Stick with it मतलब जब आपने write किया, ठीक है? Read करो. रोज सुबह उठो, read करो. This is just a small suggestion. Just as you get up, 2 minutes, read through your goals, right? And start making action plan. Action plan जैसे ये लोगों ने किया, 3rd years, आदिरा ने किया. I'm sorry, Adira, I hope you don't mind me taking your name again and again, right? So,
No problem, ma'am.
see, Adira and their class, her course हम बोलते थे, they enrolled for, even yesterday some Halima wrote to me that we have finished 6 courses of Coursera. I'm very happy. See, we are trying to help you gain resources so that it is motivating you, and when you set a goal you will not fall short of resources, right? And then you are going to stick with the goals. Write, read, keep reading them and keep reminding them mujhe ye karna hai, right? Now that you've got ample of time, start devoting your time towards your goal setting, and not just setting the goal, also achieving the goals as far as possible. Are you following? Make the goals smart goals. Only then you will be able to achieve them. Now, this is from my side. I want people to come up with your inputs so that the next class I will be starting with is confidence building. Why this specific confidence building I have taken up? It is a part of goal setting. आपको confidence कभी आता है, क्यों आता है, आप कहाँ lack कर रहे हो? That is what I want to actually focus on. What breaks your confidence? Now, before we go to that, go to the actual confidence building, there is something else that I also wanted to talk to you about. I'm just looking out for screen share. Screen share. Right. Now see, can somebody read it out for me, whatever I have written?
Present state, desired state.
Correct. Present state, desired state. Present state is where I am. जब आपने अपना गोल सेट किया, योर आउटकम, ठीक है, आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट परफॉर्मेंस गोल्स, ठीक है, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट योर आउटकम. समझते हो आप? आउटकम
Yes,
मतलब
ma'am.
फाइनल आउटकम जो चाहिए. See, I wanted to be the CEO of a particular company, right? That was my final outcome. That is my desired state. तो जब प्रेजेंट स्टेट से डिसाइड स्टेट के लिए वी आर सेटिंग ऑफ आवर जर्नी, व्हाट डू यू थिंक इज एसेंशियल?
Focus.
वेरी गुड. फोकस. यस.
Ma'am, self-confidence.
सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस.
Ma'am, determination.
डिटर्मिनेशन. एक्सलेंट. यस. Anything else? I had focus. I got the answers as focus. If you want, I'll list them down here. Focus, determination, and self-confidence. Anything else was said?
Positive mindset.
Positive mindset. Then what else? Now, I'll give you my example. When I said, I want to lose 15 kilos in 5 years. Did I say that as a goal? Right? So I said, I'm going to be focused on this. I will be determined on this. I will have a positive mindset towards achieving this outcome. But ये सब रहने से और क्या चाहिए मुझे? और क्या चाहिए मुझे? I actually need something called as resources. Do you agree with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Resources. Again, Adira, taking your example, आपको एक कॉर्पोरेट में एम्प्लॉय होना था, तो आपने क्या किया? You enrolled into various courses, accumulated resources, skills, knowledge, right? Resources could be not just monetary resources, even non-monetary resources say resources. Are you following? ये चाहिए हमें. Only then from the present state you will be able to achieve the desired state. To acquire these knowledge, skill, or whatever other resources, you are going to be framing your performance goals. Do you get my point there?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I making sense to you?
Yes.
So, to acquire these, let us see what resources are going to be gathered, right? क्योंकि again going back to what I said, the whiteboard, I share. See, present state जो है हमारा comfort zone है, अभी जहाँ पे है हम उसको present state कहते हैं. Desired state जो है, it's going to be something outside our comfort zone, right? So where I am going to take a little bit of risk. Someone, Vaishnavi, you said taking a risk, or I mean, you are scared about future outcome if it will be successful or not. If I have adequate resources, if I am positive, if I am determined, using your own words, with the resources, positivity, determination, and focus, if I work towards a desired state, I will reach there. मेरा thought कहीं और जाएगा भी नहीं. Are you following? So this is one of the steps. So what I want you to do as an activity again here, list down your present state, and then आपके जैसे गोल थे उसको और भी reframe करो और polish करो, polish it even more, and then bring it to the desired state as specific. Are you following? Are you following?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
You are able to understand? Do you have any questions?
No.
No, ma'am.
Am I making sense to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And one more thing I wanted you to add. For those who did not realize you had a goal or did not understand how to frame a goal, were there people, हमारे ग्रुप में किसी को ऐसा लगा कि गोल्स, मैं अपना गोल के बारे में सोच नहीं सकती हूँ, ऐसा कोई था? You can type it out
No.
in the chat box. सबको एक गोल था?
Yes.
Sure?
यस मैम, जो सोचो वो होता ही नहीं है.
नहीं, कौन बोल रहा है? नाम बताओ बेटा.
मैम मैं रुखसाना.
हाँ रुखसाना, जो
रुखसाना.
तो होता नहीं है. That's what I said. Present state से desired state के लिए जाने के लिए you need adequate resources जो आपको gather करना पड़ेगा, not just money. It is skill, knowledge. हाँ बोलो.
मैम आप सही बोल रहे हो, लेकिन क्या पता क्यों ऐसा होता है मेरे साथ, जो मैं सोचती हूँ वो होते ही नहीं, इसलिए गोल वगैरह सेट करने को मन ही नहीं करता.
करो बेटा.
Focus भी तो होना चाहिए, मैम.
बेटा focus चाहिए, and apart from that, can I give you something like मैं जिनको गोल नहीं है, आप मुझे एक्चुअली हैंड रेज करोगे तो इट इज इजियर फॉर मी टू फाइंड आउट हियर. आप अपना हाथ.
मैम गोल है बट.
हाँ बोलो.
गोल है बट कैसा, ऐसा लगता है कि जो सोचो वो होता नहीं है.
अच्छा आप शेयर करो, हम इधर हेल्प करेंगे आपको. दिस प्लेटफॉर्म इज फॉर यू, एंड जो यहाँ पे बोला जाएगा वो कहीं बाहर नहीं जाएगा. ऑल ऑफ यू हियर पार्टिसिपेटिंग हियर, जो यहाँ पे बोले जाते हैं वो कहीं और जाएगा नहीं.
Yes ma'am.
I'm sure all others will also appreciate that. Is that okay?
यस मैम. मैम मेरा गोल ये है ना कि ग्रेजुएशन करने के बाद मुझे एक अच्छे से बैंक में, लाइक एसबीआई बैंक है ना, उसमें गवर्नमेंट बैंक,
Public sector bank, right?
मुझे उसमें जॉब करना है मैम.
Very good, very good. तो अभी आप क्या करोगे, ये जो गोल है ना आप लिखोगे. Did you write it down yesterday, रुखसाना?
हाँ मैम मैंने लिखा है ये.
ओके लिखा है. तो उसको आपने स्मार्ट बनाने की कोशिश की. मैंने बोला स्मार्ट कैसे बनाते हैं, करेक्ट?
कैसे मैम?
कैसे बनाते हैं जो आप
टाइम बाउंड होना चाहिए.
हाँ
मेजरेबल होना चाहिए, स्पेसिफिक होना चाहिए.
हाँ. तो मैंने आपको दिया था, राइट? आप एक बार वो गो थ्रू करो. ये स्लाइड जो है ना, आपको क्यों शेयर किया कल स्मार्ट क्यों किया, शेयर किया
मैम ग्रुप में
डाला? क्योंकि आपको इट विल हेल्प यू आइडेंटिफाई योर गोल्स, इट विल हेल्प यू सी वेयर यू आर focused and how you can make it, what kind of a goal you are first of all framing, personal, professional, right? What is your final outcome? Rukhsana ko hai कि she wants to be employed with a bank, correct Rukhsana?
Yes ma'am.
You want to be employed with a public sector bank, and then you want to be earning a stable income. Can I add that also to your goal? आपने बोला नहीं पर मैं ऐड कर दी.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no?
हाँ.
हाँ बोलो. Go ahead.
बैंक वगैरह में का ऐसा सैलरी वगैरह कुछ पता है क्या आपको कितना रहता है?
बाद में डिस्कस करेंगे ना वो सब. ठीक है? We will
अच्छा,
discuss
ठीक है.
that
हाँ.
on a separate platform. So you have had these goals. ठीक है? फाइनल
हाँ.
आउटकम है यू वांट टू अर्न अ स्टेबल इनकम. तो आप ब्रेक डाउन करो उस चीज को. तो छोटे छोटे टुकड़ों में डिवाइड करो. दैट इज योर फाइनल आउटकम. बट इसके बीच परफॉर्मेंस गोल सेट करो. सी यू नीड टू टेक अप ऑल दीज एग्जामिनेशंस, गवर्नमेंट एग्जामिनेशंस. तो उसके लिए आप पढ़ना चालू करो, विच मीन्स यू आर गैदरिंग रिसोर्सेस. आज प्रेजेंट स्टेट से लेके आपको डिसाइड स्टेट में जाना है. करेक्ट? उसके लिए आप गैदर करोगे. रोज बैठ के थोड़ा 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 पढ़ोगे तो ऑब्वियसली नॉलेज, स्किल, रिसोर्स सब आ जाएगा. यू कैन डेफिनेटली रीच. डू यू गेट मी? प्लान योर.
Yes, ma'am.
आज इतना पढ़ना है, ये टॉपिक पढ़ना है, इतना
Yes,
पढ़ना है.
ma'am.
प्लान इट इज डन, राइट? तो क्यों नहीं
Yes,
होगा?
ma'am. हाँ, होगा मैम.
फिर so you start working towards it. Maybe after 15-20 days I will message you asking have you made a smart goal. मैं message करूँगी.
Yes, ma'am.
Now over to Swaraj. Are you done, Ruxana? कुछ और पूछना है?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. Done.
हाँ Swaraj, you had something to say?
मैम उसको बैंक में जॉब करना है तो बैंक पीओ के एग्जाम तो उसके लिए परफेक्ट रहेंगे.
बराबर, राइट. सुना
गवर्नमेंट
रुखसाना?
एग्जाम देना पड़ेगा ना मैम.
बराबर बराबर. बट यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर फॉर इट एंड गिव. हो सकता है,
हाँ.
राइट? थैंक यू स्वराज. और कुछ? ओके, नाउ रवीना. रवीना आपको कुछ बोलना था?
नहीं मैम.
ओके, रिचा. रिचा योर हैंड इज रेज्ड. आपको कुछ बोलना है? आपको कुछ बोलना है? ओके. Should I proceed?
Yes ma'am.
Okay. So we said present state से desired state. Now what? हाँ विशाल यादव. Okay, wait. विशाल यादव. बताओ विशाल. Unmute yourself and talk, please. Mute all. It's a lot of background noise. Yeah. Unmute yourself and talk. Vishal, do you have anything to say? Okay. Now, when we saw this, present state से हम desired state जाने के लिए from comfort zone I'm moving on to my new state or desired state which is outside my comfort zone, right? Like for example, from school I moved on to college. Yeah, from home I moved to school when I was a baby, and from school I moved on to college. They were all school मेरा comfort zone बन गया था, घर मेरा comfort zone बन गया था, वहाँ से थोड़ा outside comfort zone I stepped out. Then from there I stepped out to my college. When I stepped out to my college, I then had, after my graduation, I had to step out for a job. वो job क्यों ना, that kind of a job which I'm passionate about, because it will give me more focus to work, more interest to work. Correct? So that is what we were talking about. Any doubt here?
No ma'am.
Can we proceed?
Yes.
Okay. We proceed with this. Now we will talk something about goal visualization. Okay. Cursor here. See, we have broken down. After having broken down, or even before you break down, we are going to talk about goal visualization. Those who have a goal, those who are yet to decide on a goal or think of a goal. आगे जाके, how many of you feel जिंदगी ऐसा रहना चाहिए? Just raise your hand. I'm not calling out anybody. See, some of you might be wanting to purchase a new house. Some of you would be wanting to support your families. Some of you would be wanting to, shine. मेरा नाम हर जगह आना चाहिए, right? And I wish to be, I wish to have my own identity. Just raise your hand if you have something like that. Aspiration कुछ है तो please raise your hand. I only see 3 hands. बाकी किसी को नहीं है. And it's come down to 2 hands. Did you understand my question? See, मुझे आगे जाके, say 5 years down the line, 6 years down the line, I want to have an identity for myself. I want to earn a lot of money. Private है ना? अच्छा, it's okay. You remain private. I'm not calling anybody here to speak out. See, unless you are comfortable, I will not call you for speaking out. But I would want to know, हर एक को ख्वाब रहता है. You all have your own, dreams. You all
Yes,
have your
ma'am.
own aspirations, correct? So to attain that aspiration, what do we do? This step is actually proven to be effective. ये क्या है? ये क्या step है? Goal visualization is when I see every day you can do this as you get up, right? When you have not framed your goal, or when you have your goal in mind, but then it is actually not helping you connect to make it smart goal, goal visualize karo. Can I take your example again, Adira? I'm going to say, after my 3rd year, right? As of now, I'm in the 3rd year. I will move 2 years ahead. 2 years ahead, मैं सपनों में जाती हूँ, right? सपनों में जब जाती हूँ, मैं सोचती हूँ 2 years I'm employed. Visualizing myself as being employed, right? Carrying on with tasks, interacting with my colleagues. Answering their queries, right? And a year ahead, I find myself to be promoted. They recognize me with a nice thing saying that performer of the year, right? And then I'm going to say, right, performer of the year के award से मुझे और भी motivation मिला, confidence मिला, right? Which we will be talking in the next session. उसके बाद मैं क्या कर रही हूँ? I feel I am leading a team of 40-50 people who are actually looking up upon me and who are going to be talking about me. ये सब मैं आंखें बंद करके देख रही हूँ, right? सपना देख रही हूँ. Are you following me? Are you with me? It
Yes,
will
ma'am.
1 महीना कंटिन्यूअसली कंसिस्टेंटली सपना आप देखो and work towards it, not just सपना देखो, work towards it. It is attainable, believe me, because you've already gathered 50% of the resources, or at least 40% of the resources, Adira and group, right? And 60% is yet to be gathered. And those who have yet to start, you can always visualize, materialize your goals, and you are getting an increment. And then you get a motivation to complete your project successfully with the team. So obviously, you climb up on the next step of your ladder. Do I make sense to you, Adira?
Yes, ma'am.
So as you were seeing this dream, how do you feel when you come out of the dream? How will you feel? Were you able to visualize as I was talking to you, Adira? A little, at least 20-30%.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, so how do you feel?
I feel like it's possible for me to achieve.
So confidence build हुआ आपके इसमें थोड़ा सा
Yes, ma'am.
When you were seeing this, you were seeing you were an elated personality आपका देख रहे थे, correct? तो जब आप elated person जैसे देख रहे थे, आपको मिलता है, clarity मिलता है, right? And you feel respect yourself much, right? आपको और भी आने लगा, आई विल डू दिस, करेक्ट? सो रुखसाना, सुना आपने? सुना आपने? 5% of your 5% of your visualization and 95% of your resource acquisition will help you achieve your goals. So do you feel setting a goal is important for you? All of you here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you have to set your goals, convert them to smart goals, classify them and then convert them to smart goals, whatever be. रोज रोज के लाइफ में भी implement करो. Take out a diary, journal, whatever, and then start jotting down your goals. And then when we talk about all these things, start accumulating your resources, grow from your present state to desired state, start your journey, present to desired state. समझे आप?
Yes, ma'am.
क्वेरीज है आपको? क्वेश्चंस है?
No, ma'am.
I hope I was able to help you a little.
No.
No? Was I able to help you a little
Yes, ma'am.
in terms of goal setting, giving you a little bit of clarity
Yes,
on
ma'am.
what goals are?
Yes.
So we wind up with that, and I thank you for giving your inputs. All of you, including your hands up, was an input to me. Tomorrow we will have confidence building, which is very very important. Confidence कहाँ पे lack होता है, confidence कैसे build होना है. ये these courses, both these goal setting and confidence building are interrelated. तो बीच में मत छोड़ो. It's a, you may not get a certificate. Certificate doesn't matter if you don't have the resources, right? So see, we will start at 11:02. ठीक है? 2 minutes for admitting everybody inside. Can we wind up? Stay safe.
Yes,
Anything,
ma'am.
you can always write to me, right? Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Most welcome. Most welcome.
हाँ नंदिनी मैम.
बोलो बेटा, बोलो अधीरा.
I have a query.
Yeah, please go on. Please go on. Yes.
Ma'am, last session when we are having our TYBBS session, that day I told you about the ICSA course that we are not able to access to our phone. So you told us
Yeah.
that some other.
And I sent a reminder last night also. मैं आज भी देखती हूँ. Otherwise I'll call him and see how it works. ठीक है? वो लोग they are not coming to office and working. That is the only issue.
Okay, ma'am.
जितना हो सके मेरे तरफ से try करो.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Most welcome. I'm ending the meeting here.